Baby Youngy.
Angelaciencia.
She a freak of nature, freak of nature, freak of nature. Damn how she twerk it, work it, she a freak of nature. All poetry she doing, she freak of nature. Watching while drinking to see with the chasers. She show out when she see the paper, she really a freak of nature. Love her freaking side on different scales, she like to show it. I can tell how she move it like she really pitching me a sale. But we go down in the back room, point dance worth every tune. Please come out at night, plus it's full moon. Make that ass clap, one cheek, two cheek, ayy. That got me hella weak. She is showing all her free. Gonna make me blow this money on her every week. What she doing is create an amazing moment. Give some strong weed that is potent. Now ideas to do, she real open. Now it's time for the stripping. Got the ones for the tipping. Don't know why she remind my swag dripping. She a freak of nature, freak of nature, freak of nature. Damn how she twerk it, work it. She a freak of nature. All about tricks she doing, she a freak of nature. She watch her Hennessy with the chasing. Show out when she see the paper. She really a freak of nature. Make it rain from the singles, from them hundreds. She bounce the ass on my stick. It sound like it's really drumming. She said she was free, she wasn't bluffing. Hold the ass while it's jumping. Just want to see her dance to full capacity. That shit they do is fantasy, but can be reality. Love how they ass popping back like some colonel, but look like they came from the beach in Myrtle. The dance that she doing ain't normal. She wildin'. She wildin', ayy. She wildin', y'all. You already know. She a freak of nature, freak of nature, freak of nature. Damn how she twerk it, work it. She a freak of nature. All the posts she doing, she freak of nature. Just watching how I drink see with the chasers. She show well when she see the paper. She really a freak of nature. Like a writer shit. Not the old-fashioned COVID-19, and she a twerk assassin. That means she cutting up without slashing. Non-stop moves, all action. Make my 30s come to life what I imagine. Hey.